Hello everyone, today's topic of discussion is cobots. So, what are cobots? Cobots are nothing but collaborative robots who work with humans in a shared space. They are designed to either assist or guide humans. Now, let us know more about cobots. Traditional robots perform programmed tasks in an isolated environment to prevent harm to humans. Cobots are a safe alternative to robots. They do not move on their own and they work at low speeds than traditional industrial robots to prevent injury to humans. Cobots are cheaper and more flexible than industrial robots. Humans can move it to other places easily, which is not possible with traditional industrial robots as they are too big and require machinery to move. Due to these advantages, more and small businesses are buying cobots, making these the fastest growing segment of industrial robots. At present, cobots are used for many tasks in industries such as assembling, quality inspection, pick and place, packaging, etc. Cobots are intelligent. They are capable of learning multiple things. This makes them efficient assistants to humans. Cobots may not take away job because they work alongside humans to improve their productivity. Moreover, they take jobs that nobody wants to do and hence fill the labor shortage for roles that are dangerous, difficult, boring, etc. Therefore, they have the potential to improve the economy. Now, let us come to the conclusion. Collaborative robots or cobots work alongside humans instead of replacing them. Human robot collaboration can improve productivity because humans can utilize the cobots with super strength and accuracy as their assistant. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.